best. I'm just after a start. Who's got some do-re-mi? Well, I'll just help myself to those. 700, thank you, Brucey. Good luck to your family at 700,000. Where are you? Thank you, man. Oh, I got it here first at 720. That's 720 of it now. So 740 is the next rung on the ladder. Or you can bid me more, no problem at all. But it's 720,000. Puts to it at the stage at 720. I chase down the 40. 40 on the advance at 740. At 740. We put our triple tops and we go. I bet you know how 800 is wide open. Who gets me there first? 800. Welcome. Puts 4 in at 800. 820. At 820. She's a lot of terra firma this one at 820. Say adios. But 820.
825.
Big fellas. He's got the two of them going. Good on you, Chief. At 825 at 8 1/4. Out of it now. 30 at one score at 835,000. Out of it now. I chase down 36. Going at 835. Last chance, big fair warn. At 835 is it 36, yes or no? Right out. Oh.
836.
36. But 30. 37. The old prime, 37. At 837. My math teacher would be impressed, I remember that. Prime number. At 837. Otherwise, I send you back out into real estate land. Now try to find one better than this prior to Christmas. 838. At 838. 39. 840. Okay, at 840 puts 3 in. I know why you're all fighting for good terra firma. At 840, 40 out of it now. But I've landed on double. At 849. Gee, I've said that a few times. Going! 850. I know you're out. I've seen you out before. You never look this good. Have another go. Come on, 51. You're another 1,000. 3, 2, 1. 850 and a half. 850 and a half. Okay, $1,000 at 851 and a half. Right. At 851 and a half. It goes. Where's Trudi? She's even had enough of me. At 851 and a half. Are you sure? And it is sold straight through the little water, guys.